Hello students, welcome back. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, let's get started the video. Class first, subject maths, chapter 2, numbers 1 to 20, and it's our lecture number 5. In this video, we will cover two topics. First one, number names 1 to 10, and the second topic is activity. In activity, we will do the given work. In this book, the activity is to be referred as exercise. Okay, so let's start doing number names first. N U M B E R, number. N A M E S, names 1 to 10. Okay, before starting number names, let me show you something. Tell me first, what is this? Yes, this is a sketch pen which is used to do drawing. Okay, so now tell me one thing. How many sketch pens are in my hand? This is 1. Yes, you are absolutely right. This is one sketch pen. So here is one sketch pen. Now let's start writing number names of 1. Numeral for 1 is like this. And the spelling of 1, and you have to speak with me also. O N E, 1. O N E, 1. O N E, 1. I keep one extra pen here. So now let's start counting how many pens are here. 1, 2. There are 2 pens. Number names of 2, right here. The numeral for 2 we write like this, and the spelling of 2, T W O, 2. T W O, 2. T W O, 2. Now I add one more pen here. So now let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. How many pens are there now? 3 pens. 1, 2, 3. There are total 3 pens. Number names for 3 is, the number name of 3 is, first of all, the numeral for 3 is like this. Right here, T H R double E, 3. Speak again with me. T H R double E, 3. T H R double E, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now again I add one more pen. So now let's count with me how many total pens are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are total 4 sketch pens. So the number name for The numeral 4 is, first of all, the number for 4 is like this. And the numeral we'll write F O O U R. 4. Speak with me again. F O U R. 4. Again, keep one more pen here. So now let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 sketch pens we have now. Numeral is like this. And the number name for 5 we will write like this. F I V E. 5. 5 means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 fingers. Add one more sketch pen here. And now let's start counting. 1. Again to counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sketch pens. Again, I add one more pen here. So now let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we have 6 sketch pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to write 6 now? Speak with me. Numeral for 6 we write like this. And the number name for 6, S I X. 6. S I X. 6. S I X. 6. Okay, I already have 6 pens. Now keep one extra pen over there. I have kept one pen. So let's get started to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I am having total 7 sketch pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number for 7 we write like this, and the number name for 7 we write as E V E N. 7. After adding one extra pen in the previous one, how many we have now? Let's start counting. Speak with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have now 8 sketch pens. We write 8 like this, and the numeral we write like this, and The number name for 8, we write E I G H T. 8. E I G H T. 8. Earlier there were 8 sketch pens. I add one more over there. So now let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 sketch pens. How do we write 9? Like this. Okay, now I am already having 9 sketch pens. Okay, so number name for 9 is, we write like this. Numeral is like this, and N I N E. 9. N I N E. 9. I add one more pen here. So let's start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here we have completed counting 1 to 10. We write 10 like this. T E N. 10. So now repeat with me again. O N E. 1. O N E. 1. T W O. 2. 2 means do. T H R double E. 3. 3 means teen. F O U R. 4. 4 means char. F I V E. 5. 5. S I X. 6. 6 means छः. S E V E N. 7. 7 means सात. E I G H T. 8. 8 means आठ. N I N E. 9. 9 means नौ. T E N. 10. 10 means 10. 10. Now here we have page number 14. We will fill page number 14. First of all, we will do first question. W R I T E. Write. T H E. D M I S I N G. Missing. N U M B E R S. Numbers. A and D. And R E A D. Read. T H E M. Them. A L O U D. Aloud. Write the missing numbers and read them aloud. We have to write the missing number in this box and reading. We have to also read them aloud. So let's start. This is 2. After 2, it's 3. So speak with me. 3. We have to make beautiful new numbers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have done missing numbers in the turtle. Now it's the second part. COUNT, count, AND, and MATCH, match, ASS, SHOW, and shown. Match, count and match as shown. नीचे दिखाए गए ऑब्जेक्ट्स को आपको काउंट करना है और ठीक नंबर के साथ उसको मैच करना है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. 1, 2, 3. It's already done for you. Come to the second picture. 1, 2. So find 2. Here is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So match it with 5. We have matched it here. This is 1. So we have to match with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have done page number 14. Now it's time to take homework. So students, your homework is write number names 1 to 10 in Maths Fair notebook. You have to write number names 1 to 10 in your Maths Fair notebook. Bye-bye. Take care.